N16, Stoke Newington, another value add bespoke home created. Acquired for £750,000, created value, had an extension, full internal refurbishment. Let me show you before and after. So when we originally came to this house, it was a dilapidated property, which was perfect for me. I could just imagine what we were going to create. And the outside of the house now looks like this. As soon as we open the door, when we create a home, is for our buyers to feel an immediate wow factor. And what we've created is what you can see behind me, which is an absolutely stunning and amazing view. Now, to make it easy for you guys, what I'm going to do is, as usual, is we've got a floor plan, and what I'm in here right now is the sunken lounge. On the right hand side over there, what we have is we have a separate lounge. Upstairs on the first floor, we have a main bathroom and a bedroom. And then on the second floor, we have the master bedroom. And then on the top floor, we have a further 2 bedrooms. Immediately to our left, we've got a lounge. This is how the lounge was before, and this is what we've created today. What I really like about this room is the actual privacy that it offers the family, as whatever they may want to use this room as, whether it's a separate lounge, whether it's a drawing room, whether it's a reading room, it gives the buyers an option to decide how they want to use this space. And we've gone for some really nice bold colours. Following through from the traditional features, we have our usual ceiling rose, we've got our coving, we've got our picture rails, and this blue colour looks absolutely stunning. And then we've got these really nice designer lights, which just give it a very homely feel. And we've also got this very nice solid wood floor. Design tips and considerations. Hallway, very important. So previously this hallway was narrower, and what we did as part of the development, we increased the width of this, so it gives you the feeling of space. Also, moving into the sunken kitchen and dining area, which overlooks that really nice crystal glass with the garden. This wall actually used to previously be straight. So what we did is we shaved it, and once again, it gives us the feeling of space. So this is what we call a sunken kitchen and dining room. And even though I say dining room, the family can decide if they want to use it as a small TV space and a lounge area as well. Key consideration here, once again, following through from what I always try and educate you, the investors or future investors or existing investors, as consideration is layers and lines, and that's what it's all about. So what we have here is we've got a different choice of materials that come together so nicely, and behind me we've got this really striking and stunning crystal glass door, which is the craze at the moment. Everybody wants crystal, and what we have with that is this matching concrete floor, which is a very, very special effect. And underneath, below here, we've got underfloor heating. And what we have behind me is this feature wall, which is yellow stock London bricks. And it's important to know what choice of bricks that you are going to select on one of your projects. Also, these lights, I think they look absolutely stunning. And then once again, we've got this really nice skylight feature here, which is a piece of glass that's architecturally inspired. And behind us, we've got this stunning kitchen. And what I really love here is the simplicity of the lines of these units. And then we've got a really nice, it's actually a quartz worktop, a really nice sink here. And these hanging lights look absolutely amazing. Behind me, it was a consideration to give the family a small WC instead of them having to go upstairs to use the bathroom. First floor, what we have is we have a main bathroom and the first bedroom. And once again, we follow the same template. And the reason that we do that is because it works. And these houses sell super fast. Master bedroom, it's on this house, we've decided to carpet it for a warmer feel, but also our knowledge in terms of what the buyer profile would actually prefer. Standard new sash windows, we've painted it in this nice pastel green, ceiling rose, We've got the same coving and our picture rail as our standard template. And what this allows me to do, focus what I'm good at, which is updating my investors and always looking and evaluating new opportunities that land on my desk. Bedroom 3, overlooking the garden, and bedroom 4, which can be used as a study or a children's bedroom. So hopefully that gives you an overview of the house and most importantly the existing template model that I like to follow on all of my houses. And currently we've got multiple projects on the go at any one time. What's really important for you is to understand various hurdles and problems that you can sometimes face when it comes to property development. Number one is being able to source a good below market value or an opportunity that allows you to create value. Number two is you must decide on your property investment strategy. Are you going to be a buy-to-let investor, or are you going to be a buy, renovate and sell investor? Are you going to be part of a club investment deal, or are you going to join a property investment fund? These are all areas that you guys, the investors, need to consider. Point number three, very, very important, is are you a cash investor, which most investors will not be, or are you an investor that will need funding? Point number four, if you need funding, it's very important for you to try and get your funding approved before you buy a property. Alternatively, if you are a cash investor, then there is an opportunity for you to join my model, which is called Sharia Homes Private Equity, where we focus on London value add projects. If you are an investor that has got problem with regards to getting finance, or you don't have enough deposit to buy a property, then once again Sharia Homes could be a solution for you. Point number six, how it works. And under the banner of Sharia Homes, what I wanted to create was a vehicle for investors to invest in London property projects where they don't have the capacity to do a development project on their own. Under the banner of Sharia Homes, my main focus is to not be involved with anything that involves interest or loans, and that falls under my investment criteria of Sharia compliant investment. Point number 8, anybody that subscribes to the channel gets personal access to myself, which is my private email, and also I'll be responding to any comments that anybody leaves in the section below. There is a lot when it comes to property investment, and most importantly successful property investment, where you always create value, never rely on the market, and always make money. This is what I try and demonstrate with my videos and the knowledge that I've got over 25 years. So for those of you that have not subscribed, I highly recommend that you follow and watch some of the previous videos that I've created and get fully up to speed as part of your investment journey. So with that said, I really appreciate anybody that's subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, Agent M out.